In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WhatsApp stickers. If your sticker tray is feeling cluttered or you've saved a few you no longer use, cleaning them up is quick and helps you find your favorites faster. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what each option does and what to expect. First, open WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on the web. What matters is that you can access your chats and the sticker panel. Once you're in, open any chat. This can be with a friend, a group, or even a test chat with yourself. You just need a place where the message bar is visible. In the text bar, tap the sticker icon to open your sticker panel. This is the drawer where all your stickers live. Along the top or near the tray, you'll see different tabs. The clock icon shows your recent stickers, and the star icon shows your favorites. Recents are simply the stickers you've used lately, while favorites are the ones you've specifically marked to keep handy. If you want to remove a single sticker, go to the tab where it appears, clock for recents or star for favorites, then press and hold the sticker you want to get rid of. A small pop-up menu will appear. Choose Remove from Recents to clear it from the recent list, or choose Remove to take it out of favorites. This doesn't delete the sticker from any messages you've already sent. It just cleans up what you see in your picker. Keep in mind that a sticker can reappear in recents if you use it again later, which is normal. If your goal is a deeper clean, you can remove an entire sticker pack at once. In your sticker panel, look for the row or section where your packs are listed. Next to the pack you no longer want, tap the trash can icon. This removes the whole pack from your sticker library, so its stickers won't show up in your tray anymore. Again, anything you've already sent in chat stays visible in those conversations. When prompted, confirm by tapping delete. This final step makes the change stick. It's a good moment to double check you're removing the right pack because this action clears it from your device's sticker list. If you change your mind later, you can always add it back again. That's it. Open WhatsApp, head into any chat, use the clock or star tabs to tidy single stickers, or tap the trash can to remove entire packs, then confirm with delete. With a few quick taps, your sticker tray will feel organized and easier to use.